What's the matter?
In this video, we're going to learn 21 English phrases for expressing our sickness, our symptoms, and the several pains of the human body.
So, the most common way to say you're not feeling well is "I'm sick." But there are many other ways to express this more naturally. Let's take a look.
I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel under the weather. I feel under the weather. I am unwell. I am unwell. I feel crap. I feel crap. I feel a bit off. I feel a bit off.
So, how can we describe our sickness and what are the main symptoms of feeling sick? Let's find these phrases out.
I have the flu. To have the flu means to have an influenza infection, which is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that affect the nose, throat, and lungs. I've got a temperature. This phrase means that I have a fever. A fever is a temporary rise in body temperature. When you've got a fever, you may feel hot, sweat, have chills and be shivering, have chills and be shivering. Other symptoms of a fever. You can feel fatigued. Feel fatigued. Have loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Have a headache. Have a headache. You can use the phrase, I have a stuffy nose, when your nose feels blocked and it's hard to breathe through it. Also, you can say, I have a runny nose, when water or mucus is coming out of your nose. I've got a cough. I've got a cough. I've got a sore throat. This phrase means that my throat hurts. It's hard to swallow or talk.
Now, let's take a look at several other phrases we can use to describe pain. I have a heartburn. This phrase means that I feel a burning pain in my chest or throat. For example, spicy food can cause heartburn for some people.
I've got a stomachache. This phrase means that my stomach hurts. For example, I've got a stomachache from eating too much candy on Halloween. I have diarrhea. This means that my poop is very watery or loose. For example, I think I ate something bad and I have diarrhea.
I've got a toothache. This means that my tooth hurts. For example, I've got a toothache and it's hard to eat.
I have a backache. This phrase means that my back hurts. For example, I was sitting for long hours in front of the desk, and now I've got a backache.
I have an earache. This phrase means that my ear hurts. For example, I have an earache. It hurts when I swallow.
I feel nauseous. This phrase means that I feel like I might throw up. For example, I feel nauseous after eating too much.
I have a sunburn. This means that my skin is red and sore because I was in the sun too long. For example, I have a sunburn on my shoulders. It hurts when I touch it.
I have a rash. This phrase means that I have irritated skin with red spots, bumps, or patches on it. For example, I have a rash on my arm. It's itchy and red.
Thank you very much for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you liked the video, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch the Part 2 video with phrases and vocabulary for injuries and accidents. See you.
See you.